your main topic for this two-day break before Wednesday's meeting.
Yes, again, we're trying to make do managing meetings of so many players, Kelly and Roger, that we knew that we could be, if it's getting close in the end, that we're going to be at a huge disadvantage because of the depth of San Miguel. So ang usapan lang namin, let's just rely on each other, hang on as much as we can, find a way to win in the end.
Coach, yung first half nyo, grabe yung shooting nyo. In a way ba, you expected na fall chat nyo guys sa shooting venture yung fourth quarter kasi you were misfiring na in the fourth quarter?
That's what we call the law of averages, right? But still, our shots were not going in, but they were good looks. And that's what we still say on our team. As long as we get good looks, we can live with that. What we could not live with were our turnovers. That's what fueled their run. They got 20 points of turnovers from us. It's a huge difference. They got 20 points. Can you imagine if we just had cut that in half? Hindi na sana tinigil. But that's what we have to address really is our turnovers. Because they still had a lot of legs and wind to still put pressure even until the fourth quarter. And kami, hindi namin masyadong ganun kalakas because like I said, because of all the injuries that we're trying to manage.